Hi, hello guys, 𝙬𝙧𝙚𝙬 here. In this video we will together design this slide in PowerPoint as usual. So let's get started. So we need to create a new slide, and I think we will start with this rectangle. As you can see, you may think that this is a black rectangle, but actually this is not really black, because as you can see, the pure black color is right here, but I used this one. So of course this is still a black color, but this is a little bit lighter. So let's do so. Of course, right here, and I think the width will be something like that. All right, the next thing is this photo. So let's copy it. As you can see, this photo has been cropped. Actually, as you can see, this is the original size of this photo. So it means that it has a lot of megapixels, for instance 4000 for 3000, so it will be a really good quality. So that's cool. So the first thing is here, crop and aspect ratio 1:1, because I would like this photo to be cropped to the square, and I can move it I think right here. All right, of course, as you can see, this is grayscale photo, so click on it, picture, and here color and saturation 0%. So as you can see, we have only grayscale colors. All right, of course, we need to position this photo in the middle, so go to the picture format, align and align middle. That's perfect. Move it a little bit to the left, right here. All right, that's perfect. The next thing that we will create is this square. So go to the insert, shapes, and here. And as you can see, when I am pressing my left key, I am drawing a new rectangle. But if I will also be pressing shift key, as you can see, proportions are blocked, so I will create just a square. All right, so let's move it right here. That's perfect. And we would like to change the color. So go to the shape fill, and here you have plenty of colors, but we will use eyedropper. So click on eyedropper, and now we will take the exact this orange color. All right, as you can see. But as you can see also here, this rectangle has some transparency, so also we will make it. So right click on our square, format shape, fill, and here you have transparency. I think 20 will be good. That's perfect. So the last thing are our text boxes. So as you can see, I used Älvron font, Älvron black for the title, Älvron regular for our subtitle, and for our body text I used Älvron light. So so let's make it. Create a text box about our service, about our services. And how to change font, you just click here and you just type Älvron. That's perfect. And like I said you before, we need to take it Älvron black. All right, let me check the font size, 36. That's perfect. 36. That's cool. So we need to duplicate this object, so Ctrl and D. That's cool. And here there will be just Älvron font, so let's do so. And what's the subtitle? We design interior architecture in France and Germany. That's perfect. So just type it right here. And of course, font size is a little bit different, 32, exactly, 32. So let's change it. All right, and the last thing is our body text. Of course, I used lorem ipsum, so that's quite easy to make, but I will remind you. you just type something like that, equals mark, and you just type lorem, and in brackets you just type digit 1, 2 or 3, let's say 3, and you click enter. And as you can see, this lorem ipsum is automatically generated text, and it's quite useful. All right. So yeah, as you can see, there is a little bit mess on this slide. That's because all of those text boxes are not aligned to the left. So we need to select all of them, go to the shape format tab, and right here in align you have align left. So let's do it. That's perfect. And as you can see here, this text box is a little bit over our slide, so we need to decrease the font size. Alright, that's perfect now. Well, actually, I think we can change a little bit spacing between those text boxes. Yeah, I think that's cool. And the last thing is just this tiny subtle rectangle, but I think it's good to have it right there, because you know I will show you the difference in a minute. Alright, so insert a rectangle. Let's change the size to something like that, and of course our orange color. So yeah, and I will show you the difference between the slide with this rectangle and without. So this is slide without rectangle, and this is slide with rectangle. You know, this is just a subtle difference, but I think it's worth to have it right there, because we used black colors, here we used some orange, and this is good to also add another object with this orange fill. And yeah, and actually the last thing I forgot about, you remember that here we used black color but not pure black, and here we also need to change this pure black to our a little bit lighter black color. So right here, this color. And of course I decided to change body text color to this gray right here. I think that looks better. So thank you guys for watching. If you liked this slide design, you can post a comment. You can also like this video, and don't forget to subscribe our channel and turn on the notification bell, because then you will not skip and omit any of our future videos. And I promise that our future videos will be really exciting. So thanks you guys for watching, have a great day, and lead a happy life. Excellent slides.